Hello everybody. So today I am going to tell about chemistry, or you can also say story on basic chemistry. In chemistry, chemical reactions are responsible for many of our experiences and the way we interact with the natural world.
Chemistry is the science of matter. This may sound simple, but chemistry is a complex and broad topic that covers a wide variety of fields. From the core of the Earth to the farthest reaches of the universe, chemistry is everything and everywhere.
Did you know materials such as plastic, synthetic rubber, sulfuric acid and medicines like our favorite antibiotic penicillin all originate from the chemical industry of early Muslims, who were chemistry revolutionaries? In fact, the word chemistry in Arabic is kimia, with al as the definite article. Thus, alchemia meaning the chemistry, or alchemy in Old English. Today, we will discuss who made early discoveries in chemistry, what they were, and how they are contributing towards our modern society today. The father of chemistry. Can you guess who he is? Yes, he is Jabir ibn Hayyan, or Jibba as known by the West, was son of a druggist. He lived from 722 AD to approximately 815 AD. He spent most of his time in Kufa in Iraq and scientifically systemized chemistry. He devised and perfected many chemical processes like distillation, liquefaction, crystallization, sublimation, amalgamation, and filtration. Most of these processes are still used the same way today, his most famous being his distillation process. The glassware he used were also designed by him, most of which are still shaped the same way. He also built a precise scale which weighed items 6,480 times smaller than a kilogram, or 2.2 pounds. Jabir ibn Hayyan was also aware of atoms and compounds and how they combine to form bonds. He also attempted to make paper that cannot burn and ink that can allow us to read in the dark. His fascinating works were included in the Great Book of Chemical Properties, the Weigh and Measures, the Chemical Combination, and the Dyes. The great work of his was all done in his laboratory in Kufa and was rediscovered during demolition of some houses in the area of Damascus Gate. Al-Razi's Book of Secrets. Muhammad ibn Zakaria al-Razi was known in the West by Razis, who lived in Iran from 864 to 925 AD. He is famous for writing books like The Book of Secrets and The Book of Secret of the Secrets. He is most famous for the classification of natural and artificial substances, giving birth to the modern-day periodic table that we all know of. One of his most interesting research was on waterproofing fabrics and making hair dyes. He also designed, described, and used more than 20 laboratory instruments, many of which are still in use, such as crucible, cucurbit, or retort for distillation. Al-Kindi. Al-Kindi lived from 801 to 873 AD in Iraq. He is most famous for writing a book on the chemistry of perfumes. The book contained 107 recipes for different scents.
Chemistry, a definition. Chemistry is the study of matter, including its composition, properties, and structure, how it changes, and how it interacts with energy. This is a pretty simple definition that sums up what is actually a complex and fascinating subject. If you have ever asked why or how something is in the natural world, odds are good that your question and the answer were related to chemistry. For instance, why is the sky blue? Colors depend on the chemical makeup of substances and what kind of light they reflect. How does an insect walk across the surface of a pond without falling through? The unique properties of water give it a high surface tension, which means that small objects can rest on it without sinking. Chemistry is all around, and anything related to matter involves chemistry. Main branches of chemistry. Since chemistry is such a broad and vast subject, we can divide it up into more manageable topics to help us more accurately. 1. Organic chemistry. 2. Inorganic chemistry. 3. Analytical chemistry. 4. Physical chemistry. 5. Biochemistry.
Everything in our surrounding is formed of matter. Chemistry is significant in our civilization because it affects our basic needs for food, clothing, shelter, health, energy, and clear air, water, and soil, etc. And while it's easy to take for granted, the study of the chemical sciences has given us countless applications that address pressing global problems and support a healthy, functioning society. Why is chemistry so hard? It may be many expectation needs, new words and definitions are there, lots of homework it is given by school and tuition classes, lab components are in wide variety present, significant figures and lots of maths problem. But it's not like that. Let's see. Chemistry is an incredibly fascinating field of study because it is so fundamental to our world. Chemistry play an important role in everyone's life and touches almost every aspect of our existence in some way. Chemical technologies enrich our quality of life in numerous ways by providing new solutions to problems in wealth, materials, and energy usage. Thank you for listening.